In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the online scam that is coming from the website salmonaffiliate.store. Salmonaffiliate.store. This is the misleading website that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you think that your computer is supposedly damaged and infected by some malware and that it is vulnerable before threats. The real purpose of these pop-ups by salmonaffiliate.store is to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted software. If you click on this button called Protect My Computer, you will then be redirected to some other malicious website, and because of that, your computer may be infected even more dramatically. So don't interact with these pop-ups by salmonaffiliate.store. They are absolutely faulty and deceptive. Don't trust them. My recommendation is that you thoroughly examine your computer and its safety with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. So download Combo Cleaner through this green download button, install the application, and begin researching your system to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.